3, 2, 1.
Why might someone want to stay at home in bed? The answer is A. They might feel that they are too old now. Which year saw the culmination and end of the Cuban Missile Crisis? The answer is A. 1962. What is the reason the narrator is annoyed at food stamps? The answer is D. They feel it allows you to buy bad food. To make LEDs visible after placing them under a plastic cover, how would you do this? The answer is A. Make sure to use dim LEDs so they be seen. What is the subject of this particular conversation? The answer is A. The subject is spirituality. The flag of which country incorporates a red dragon as well as the Tudor colors of green and white? The answer is B. Wales. To protect wire that has become damaged, how would you do this? The answer is A. Wrap the wire in electrical tape. What organ interprets what our sensory organs sense? The answer is B. Brain. Why donated? What should be donated? The answer is A. None of the above choices. How would they be described as a person? The answer is A. They have good grades. What may happen after an emergency stop? The answer is B. I will get injured. When did Kim Il-sung call for the Jeju Conference? The answer is C. 1950. In what year did the French Huguenots abandon their first North American outpost? The answer is D. 1564. What is methophobia? The answer is C. A fear of alcohol. To dissolve sugar in milk, how would you do this? The answer is A. Stir until the sugar dissolves. How many lay vicars aren't there? The answer is B. 12. What is the legislature in the UK? The answer is D. Bicameralism. On January 14, 1954, Hudson merged with what other car manufacturer? The answer is D. Nash. The term gooball is written in number form as number 1 followed by how many zeros?
The answer is A. 100.
What are the dark areas that appear on the sun called? The answer is C, sunspots. How many species of elephant exist today? The answer is A, 3. What in mammalian lungs increases the surface area for gas exchange? The answer is A, alveoli. When was Mavericks introduced? The answer is B, 2013. How many songs were on the first Billboard Easy Listening chart? The answer is B, 20. Clear up a stuffy nose. How would you do this? The answer is A, leave a sliced onion near you when sleeping. A peculiar frequency of roughly how many years saw U.S. presidents dying in office either assassinated or otherwise from the 1840s to the 1960s?
The answer is C, 20.
What year did Congress pass the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act? The answer is B, 1938. Which of the following soap operas is on ABC American Broadcasting Company? The answer is C, One Life to Live. How many medieval warm period reconstructions were used? The answer is D, 14. In what year did investment in renewables exceed fossils? The answer is A, 2015. Why did the narrator opt for a jacuzzi at their house? The answer is D, San Francisco is cold. In the game of darts, what score is known as not old? The answer is A, 37. What is the uppermost level of Earth's layers called? The answer is C, crusts. What 1999 movie is this excerpt from? The answer is C, Pokémon, the first movie. What character from the Actions series A-Team goes by the names Templeton Peck, Al Peck, Templeton Arthur Peck, Alvin Brennar, Al Brennan, Holmes Morrison, Morrison Holmes, and Richard Bancroft? The answer is C, Face. How many farthings were there in a pre-decimal pound? The answer is B, 960. What was the average hours per work week in October 2009? The answer is D, 33. What year did the Canton become a flag with stars on it and not just a stripe? The answer is C, 1707. Stringed instruments can help show the relationship between tension and what in strings? The answer is B. Frequencies. Cilia and flagella are generally associated with what function in organisms, whether the function is internal or external. The answer is A. Movement. Pulleys are generally used to do what with objects? The answer is A. Lift. What may happen after the fast? The answer is A. I was embarrassed to doing it in a Walmart. What may be the reason for running on fumes? The answer is C. They didn't get much sleep if any. A girl is riding a riding lawnmower through a yard. Another girl is dancing behind her. The second girl, what happens next? The answer is C. Continues dancing toward the camera. When was the original trophy created? The answer is A. 1895. How many clubs entered in 2005-06? The answer is C. 674. After what year was compounding frequently used in railway engines? The answer is A. 1880. What is made up of bands of cells that contract for movement? The answer is B. Muscle tissue. What was Huey P. Newton charged with on October 28, 1967? The answer is A. Murder. To thicken a mixture, how would you do this?